As we continue in section 12.3, as we're factoring rational expressions and canceling factors, we want to understand and continue to look for the GCF first as we factor. So as we look at the top part of number 5, the GCF between 12 and 4 is 4. So I'm going to take that out, leaving me 3 minus x. Remember to write your numbers 3 minus x, not x minus 3 here. Now we're going to divide that by our other part. We need to think to ourselves what multiplies to negative 3 that adds to negative 2, and those factors are negative 3 and 1. So our factors are x minus 3, x plus 1. Once again, because x minus 3 and 3 minus x are opposites, those will cancel to negative 1. That leaves us an answer of negative 4 over x plus 1. So our opposites can cancel to negative 1. As we look at number 6, we have to figure out how this is going to factor. So the question is, how does the top factor? What multiplies to negative 8 that adds to negative 7? Well, that's 1 and negative 8. So x plus 1, x minus 8. Second, we have to look at what multiplies to 5 that adds to 6. Well, that's 1 and 5. So on the bottom is x plus 1 and x plus 5. It's interesting as we look through our problems that usually one of the parts in the numerator is also a factor in the denominator, and in this case the x plus 1's cancel, leaving us an answer of x minus 8 over x plus 5. Let's look at our bottom problems here. We have 8 minus 4r. The GCF on that is a 4, so let's take a 4 out. That leaves us with 2 minus r. The denominator, we say what multiplies to negative 8 that adds to positive 2. Well, that's positive 4 and negative 2. Our opposites now cancel to negative 1, leaving us an answer of negative 4 over r plus 4. Let's look at our last one. Do you see and recognize the fact that they both have a 2 in it? Well, that's the GCF. That leaves us with c squared minus 1. The denominator also has a GCF of 3. That leaves us again with 1 minus c squared. Well, c squared minus 1 and 1 minus c squared cancel to negative 1. So our answer is negative 2/3.